Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're taking a look at this little thing right here that I got in the mail a couple weeks ago. Oh, first of all, don't forget to clean your phone. You want it to be as clean as possible. It should not leave any type of glue on the phone. If it does, it should be easy to clean off. But let's give it a try. All right, so you're gonna want to peel it off halfway. You don't want to peel the whole thing off. So you do this, fold it, so you have like, and start aligning. The way it's going right now, so far so good. Slowly but surely we're getting this on. This is my first time doing this. And I gotta say, it's way easier than I thought it would be. We'll lift it up, pull the underneath part of it, piece by piece. You wanna make sure that the logo it's 100% accurate, or at least as accurate as we could be. Wow, this is so simple. This is really cool. Good thing is they're not expensive for what you're getting, the quality and the time it takes to put it on. It's ridiculous. Sure, look at this. It feels amazing. Look at this phone. So cutouts were pretty much perfect. Like I don't see anything wrong with it. Only thing that's gonna suck, well, not really. Actually, never mind, scratch that. I did buy the one, I think like $1 extra so I could get the camera one. But now that I'm looking at it, it looks pretty good without having the skin on it, like the black, just a black line on it. Look at this, like, come on. This is like one of those pictures you see on Instagram. Boom, right there, gorgeous. All right, so it's a simple video, nothing crazy. This isn't a real review. It's just, I was gonna show you how it was my experience putting it on. You'll see the red one coming soon. I'm gonna go ahead and take some cool Instagram photos of this little guy. But for now, this is it guys. Hope you liked the video and have a good one.